Welcome to this review of Tictail, an e-commerce platform designed specifically for creators, small businesses, and entrepreneurs looking to sell products online. I've spent a considerable amount of time exploring Tictail, and today I'll walk you through my honest user experience with the platform. Tictail is unique because it focuses on helping creators, whether they're artists, designers, or small business owners, build an online store without the need for complex technical skills. Right from the start, the sign-up process is straightforward. You simply create an account with an email address and choose your store's name. One of the first things you'll notice is that Tictail's user interface is clean and minimal, making it easy to navigate even if you're new to e-commerce. Once you're inside, you're given various templates to design your store. These templates are visually appealing, with an emphasis on showcasing your products beautifully. The customization options are robust yet simple to use. You can easily adjust your store's colors, fonts, and layout with a drag-and-drop editor. Even though there are a limited number of templates compared to some other platforms, they're all highly aesthetic and cater to a wide range of creative niches. Adding products is straightforward. Whether you're selling physical goods, digital items, or even services, Tictail allows you to set up product listings in just a few clicks. You can upload images, write product descriptions, set prices, and even define your inventory levels. What's great about Tictail is that it also includes the option to integrate your store with various payment gateways, including PayPal and Stripe, making it easy to accept payments from customers around the world. One of the standout features of Tictail is its built-in community. You can explore other stores within the Tictail network, which makes it feel more like a marketplace than just an isolated e-commerce platform. This social aspect is perfect for creators who want to build a following or discover new audiences. It's a refreshing feature compared to more traditional platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce, which feel more transactional. When it comes to pricing, Tictail offers a free plan, which is perfect for creators just starting out. The free plan gives you all the essential tools to build your store and sell online without paying any monthly fees. However, if you want access to more advanced features, such as custom domains and analytics, you'll need to opt for one of the paid plans. The pricing is competitive, and considering the features included, I think it's a fair deal for anyone serious about scaling their business. The platform's integrations with social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook make it easier to promote and sell your products directly to your followers. You could also connect your Tictail store to email marketing tools, which allows you to send newsletters and promotions to keep your customers engaged. One area where Tictail excels is in its customer support. Whether you need help with setting up your store, resolving payment issues, or anything else, their support team is responsive and knowledgeable. They also have a comprehensive help center with detailed guides and video tutorials. Now, let's talk about Tictail's potential drawbacks. While Tictail is very easy to use, it doesn't offer as many advanced features as some of the more established e-commerce platforms. For example, if you're looking for extensive inventory management or need advanced SEO tools, Tictail might fall short. Additionally, the integrations with third-party apps are somewhat limited compared to other platforms like Shopify. Overall, I think Tictail is a fantastic option for creators looking to sell their products online in a simple and visually stunning way. It's especially ideal for artists, designers, and anyone focused on building a strong brand identity. If you're looking for a platform that's easy to use, highly customizable, and low cost to get started, I highly recommend giving Tictail a try. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews, and hit the bell icon to get notified about future content. Thanks for watching.